Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So children, today we are going to learn that use of brackets in solving problems. In our previous class we have learned that how to solve the problems. Some steps we have learned now in our previous class. So let's continue our class with use of brackets in solving problems. Let's see how we can solve the problems with the use of brackets. Okay. So take out page number 23 in your math readers. See here use of brackets in solving the problems. Let's see. By one example we can understand it. Sonu and Suman went to the pastry shop with their father. Okay, Sonu and Suman went to a pastry shop with their father. Sonu bought 6 pastries for rupees 12. Okay. Sonu bought 6 pastries for rupees 12 rupees each. The price of each pastry is 12 rupees. And Suman bought 4 of the same pastries. Suman also bought the same pastries, same 4 pastries. Their father asked them to tell him how much they had to pay to the cashier. Okay, let's see. Both of them started calculating the amount. Suman and Sonu both are starting calculating the amount. Sonu said that he bought 6 pastries. Okay, Sonu said that he bought 6 pastries which cost 6 into rupees 12. The amount of each pastry is 12 rupees. Then we have to multiply with 6 because Sonu bought 6 pastries. Okay, 6 into 12 rupees equals to rupees 72. Sonu said this. Then Suman bought 4 pastries which cost, here we have to multiply 4 into 12 rupees. Okay, 4 into 12 rupees is equals to 48 rupees. Right? So the amount of Sonu's pastry is 72 rupees and the amount of Suman's pastries is 48 rupees. So the cost is 6 into 12 rupees plus 4 into 12 rupees. Right? This is equals to 72 rupees plus 48 rupees. Means we have to add the Sonu's amount and the Suman's amount. That is 72 plus 48 equals to rupees 120. Right? Suman said that we bought 6 pastries plus 4 pastries equals to total 10 pastries. Means Sonu's 6 pastries, Suman's 4 pastries. 6 plus 4 equals to 10 pastries. Right? So the cost is 12, as you can see here in this, 12 into, take a bracket, 6 plus 4. Right? 12, take a bracket, 6 plus 2 inside the bracket is equals to 12 into 6 plus 4 is 10. 12 into 10 equals to 120 rupees. Right? Suman was able to do the such sum much faster and in an easier way than Sonu because she used a pair of brackets to put the number of the pastries together. That is 12 bracket 6 plus 4. Right? If we use the brackets, then we can solve the problem very easily or quickly. Look at this page, right? 12, take a bracket, 6 plus 4. Then add the 6 plus 4 is 10. 12 into 10 will get 120 rupees. The total amount is 120 rupees. Okay? This is the way how by using the brackets we can solve the problems also. Okay? I hope you understand how to use the brackets in solving the problems. Thank you.